In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate UGC with Openart. We'll start right on the Openart homepage. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Image. This is where all the visual creation tools live, and it's the quickest way to get into making content that looks authentic and ready for social. On the main image screen, you'll see a couple of paths. There's Create Image for making something from scratch, and there's Image Variations if you want to explore iterations of an existing picture. For this walkthrough, choose Create Image so we can build a piece of UGC style content from the ground up. Next, select a model. Different models are tuned for different aesthetics, so pick one that's known for realistic photography if you're aiming for influencer style shots. Photo-forward models generally handle skin tones, lighting, and texture more convincingly, which really matters for UGC. Now describe the image you want. The prompt is your creative brief, so be specific about subject, setting, lighting, and vibe. For example, type young woman holding skincare serum and bathroom mirror, selfie, natural lighting, realistic smartphone photo, casual lifestyle aesthetic. This kind of phrasing helps the model know it's a casual, handheld look with real-world lighting, not a glossy studio shoot. You'll also notice two content groups in the interface, images and characters and worlds. Characters and worlds is great for styled, illustrative scenes or fictional concepts. For realistic user-generated photos, click images. That keeps the output grounded in photographic aesthetics. Before generating, choose your output and aspect ratio. Think about where the content will live. Square is versatile, portrait works well for mobile feeds and stories, and landscape can fit banners or web headers. Setting this now helps the composition frame your subject correctly. Then choose quality. Higher quality tends to produce more detailed, polished results, but may take a bit longer to render. If you're testing multiple prompts quickly, standard quality is fine. When you've dialed in your idea, bump it up for the final pass. When everything looks good, click Generate. Openart will render a set of images based on your prompt and settings. If the result is close but not quite there, tweak a few words in the prompt, adjust the lighting description, the camera style, or the setting, and generate again. Small changes can make a big difference in realism and mood, and that's it. You've just created on-brand, natural-looking UGC in Openart, starting from a clear prompt, the right category, and thoughtful output settings.